Well, first of all, may buntag. Bisiklet ako, it's a good exercise, no? It relaxes your body and mind. Importante yung bike, as ako nag-ingon, it's good for your health. Kaya ikaduha sad makakontribute sa atong environment, kaya it reduces the emission, no? Because of gas and fuel. And ang primary purpose good, you can bike until you say senior already, like myself, you know, I'm already 70, but I still bike. More rin nakabintahagi sa bike kay it dili mo damage sa imong knee. But ako lang, you should also be careful and always wear your helmet. Kana magbike ta, ako magbike ko pa doon sa opisina.